The new farm's great, but while I was there, they were combining here, so which isn't really that big a deal. But since they're combining here, since they combine here, I want to hunt here tonight, and the wind is out of the east, so it's the best chance to shoot a buck here, just because when it's blowing in the east, it blows into the pasture. I mean, it depends, but like they really haven't been going north too much in the pasture. Plus, it's a strong wind, so hopefully it'll diffuse my scent. I haven't had a lot of action on the cameras. The main buck that I'm after here has been on camera once since my last hunt, at least on my cellular camera. And then another buck that I haven't even seen this year in person was here last Saturday, last Friday, 4 days ago, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a super windy day that I was hunting a different property with my brother. I'm hoping they don't till this for a little while, but I'm thinking since it's so dry and it's been a drought pretty much throughout the year, that they're going to be coming here and tilling it in the next few weeks. The other thing is I'm hoping they just at least leave the radishes that I planted, at least around the borders, because the deer really seem to be getting into those. I have 2 cameras down at the other end, and I haven't checked those cameras since, probably for 2 weeks. But it really doesn't matter. If I'm not here, I can't shoot anything. I guess that's pretty much it, See what turns up. So my target buck is about to walk right underneath my stand. Actually, I don't even know what buck that is. I think, yeah, so it's the buck that was out here the other day at 3 o'clock. It's not my number 1 target, but it's a good buck. He was out here last year quite a bit. Maybe, I don't know. It's hard to tell if that's him or not. He's literally giving me like a 20-yard shot right now on the other stand. So my for sure target buck came out. It's in the pasture now. I had him in my binoculars a second ago. I don't see him now. I'm not very good at this. probably be done hunting now. To be honest, it's probably the last, it's probably over for this farm. They're tilling. They're going to till all that property over there, and they're just going to hang out in the hayfield. So, I don't know. I'll keep the trail cameras rolling. And I did a little rattling sequence there. And I had buck come in from the north, which I don't really know where that came from. And then a buck come in. I was in that fence row, walked over here. I think I was looking for that. The bucks that were fighting. Obviously they were younger. The reason I was rattling is because there was a bigger buck down there in the field, and I was trying to get him to come in. Whatever I think I should do, I should just do the opposite. In my head, I thought I should sit this stand because the wind's blowing that way. And they like to walk this fence row and walk right in front of their stand, but over here they come in down there at the opening where the old gate used to be.